In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to everyone in Google Sheets. If you need to make a spreadsheet available to anyone who has the link, Google Sheets makes that process quick and simple. This is especially useful when you want to share information publicly, collaborate with a large group, or avoid approving access requests one by one. I'll walk you through exactly how to change the sharing settings so your file can be opened by anyone with the link. Start by opening the Google Sheet that you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct file before changing any access settings, especially if you work with multiple spreadsheets. Once the sheet is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This will open the sharing window, where you can manage who has access to the file and what they're allowed to do. Inside that sharing window, find the section labeled General Access. By default, many files are set to restricted, which means only people you specifically add can open the sheet. To make the file available more broadly, click on the current setting and change it from restricted to anyone with the link. As soon as you do that, the file becomes accessible to anyone who receives the link without requiring you to manually approve them. After changing the access level, the next important step is choosing what people can do when they open the file. Google Sheets gives you three main permission options. You can set the file to view if you only want people to see the content without making changes. You can choose comment if you want others to leave feedback but not directly edit the spreadsheet. Or, if you want full collaboration, you can select Edit so anyone with the link can make changes to the file. Take a moment to choose the permission level carefully. If the sheet contains important formulas, organized data, or information that should not be changed, viewer or commenter access may be the safer option. If it's a shared working document, editor access might be the right choice. Once you've selected the setting you want, your Google Sheet is ready to be shared with everyone through the link. Just copy the link from the sharing window and send it to the people who need access. That's how to give access to everyone in Google Sheets.